In this video, I'll show you what is the page details view on SEO testing. To see the page details view, select the URL you wish to view the data from within the SEO testing app. For example, you can click on a URL from the All Pages report, SEO test results, end of month report, or after using the search box on the top left of the app. The page details view will show you the page's data such as clicks and impressions based on Google Search Console data. At the top of the page you have the graphs that can display the data in a daily, weekly or monthly view. Further down the page you can find the current page title and meta description for extra context. Next you have the queries this page is returned for section, which is one of the most important parts of the page details view. Here you can see all the queries the URL has ranked for alongside their clicks, impressions, click-through rate and average position. On top of all those useful metrics, I would like to call your attention to the keyword usage column, which represents the number of times the query is used on the page. Something like this can help find keywords that receive clicks or impressions without being used on the page, for example. Another useful thing on the page is the shortcut icons that you can use to quickly create an SEO test, save the keyword to the Saved Ideas tab, or do a Google, Reddit or Quora search for the keyword, among other things. The page details view also lets you use the filters you are used to seeing on Google Search Console, such as contains, equals, including rejects, among others, for when you wish to narrow down the data. With the date selector, you can also analyze a different date range if you wish. Plus, if you want to sort the data by a different metric, just click on the metric you want. For example, you could sort data by the most impressions. Next, on the right side of the screen, you can find a couple of buttons. The first one is the export button that lets you save the data as a CSV file. This will give you access to extensive data and circumvent Google's Search Console 1000 row limit. The second button is the Compare Periods report, where you can compare how the queries performed in two different periods. This will let you discover how much clicks and impressions have changed from one period to another. The last one is the Keywords Everywhere integration, which allows you to load keyword search volume within SEO testing and analyze whether a keyword has potential or not. As you can imagine, a report where you can have this much information that's easy to filter and navigate around will give you a good picture of how the page is performing. In addition to that, the page details can also be your friend to find keyword opportunities. How? Using the keyword usage column, if you notice that a query receives a lot of impressions but is not used on the page, you can optimize the content for that query, which can help you get more clicks from Google. If you have additional questions, contact our team via the chat widget on the app or via the email support@seotesting.com. Thanks for using SEO testing.